show, I think, you know, it's unpredictable. You know what I mean? And I think this game has that sort of element to it. You know, it's unpredictable. You don't know what you're going to do. It's up to you.
No breath sounds on the left. O2, 18 gauge angiocath and prep for a chest tube. I'll meet you in trauma 1. Get him in there.
You get a chance to sort of make your own script and be a character, you know, and sort of handle situations how you feel like you would handle them.
I hope people will be excited to pick up the game. I was curious to see it myself, and it looks really cool.
Move these people to the ER, now. Then get down there and help us out.
I think everybody's excited to see the set and what we all look like digitalized. I think there's a lot of curiosity about this game.
That's another way for, you know, the show to be as legendary as it is, you know, to have a video game after it. The diehard fans will definitely love it, and people that are just coming on and starting to watch the show now will love it, I think. You know, it's going to be fun and intriguing.
This game has not yet been rated.